Hey guys, what's up? It's Raurii. Welcome on the live. Today, sport at the hospital of Tahiti. Wait, my hair is so messy. Wait, guys. Yeah, sport at the hospital of Tahiti, French Polynesia. It's been like 31 minutes since I'm starting training. 30 minutes or 21 minutes ago, and I'm done. So, guys, you're gonna tell me, why are you in the hospital, Rowdy? I'm at the hospital because my mother is very sick, guys, and I'm here to visit her. Look at that, guys. As you know, the hospital of Tahiti, we got a lot of problem here because it's uh, it's a too big hospital for Polynesia, you know, and we don't have enough money. That's not the hospital. I don't know what it is. The hospital is just that, but it's very, very beautiful, guys. Look at that, the sun today. It's a sunny day. I'm so happy. And here's people are eating here. Hello, bro. Yorana blocks. Yorana mean hello in real Tahiti, guys. Today I'm doing my sports at the hospital, guys. Here's the roof of the hospital. You're gonna come with me and we're gonna go inside the hospital. And I'm listening music when I doing my live, guys. I'm listening like a tall soldier. Looking for the live, guys. Please like the live. Please comment and subscribe. You help me so much, guys. Thank you so much. Yo, guys. Yo, pro. Yo, Julio. You're the best, Julio. Like Julio Iglesias, the father of Enrique Iglesias. Enrique Iglesias, my favorite artist of all time, with Michael Jackson and many more. But Enrique in my heart forever. Yo, bro, are you fishing? Yes. A lot of Polynesians are fishing, bro, here in Tahiti and all the Polynesia. There's different type of fishing, you know. There's the, how do you say that? Au large, guys. You know, not fishing the lagoon, but in very far away, guys. I messed up my shave again. My wife gotta shave me better than that. Yeah, bro. I'm fishing, you know, in Tahiti we say Poti Marara. Go search on Google, guys. Poti Marara is a Polynesian boat for us when we go fishing in the far away from the land, you know. And I'm gonna make a live when I'm fishing at the Poti Marara. It's gonna be awesome, man. It's gonna be epic, very epic, very good live. And guys, I'm gonna need a cameraman for my live. And after that, I'm gonna do a live when I'm fishing at the Poti Marara. And we, Polynesian, love to fish in the lagoon. The fish in the lagoon are so good here in Polynesia, guys. I don't know how to say the name in English, you know. In Tahitian, we say the peroque and all this kind of fish. What time is it? It's 2 p.m. 35 minutes. 2 p.m. 35 minutes. Hey, look at that. Some Polynesian drink. Waimato is the water from Tahiti. One of the water from Tahiti. And we got some Polynesian juice. Mango and pineapple. Roti, you know. All this kind of stuff. What the fuck is that? Fucking does. Okay, pro, bye, bro. Thank you for coming. And what? Are you Spanish? I think I never heard this name. And then, hey guys, doing my sport in the hospital. It's very creepy. But you know, the hospital is so big that it's so cool to train here. Of disease. That's an insane thing to say before that. What about John? What's the insane thing, bro? What are you talking about, bro? And thank you for being on the live, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. I'm listening to Eminem, you know. Stan, there also from 2000. Let's see. Look at that. Ashi frites. Polynesian love to eat that, guys. Ça va encore des cuillères. Steak free, hamburger. Yeah. Poisson pané, parce que c'est fait à l'huile. Poisson grillé, ça va. C'est fait à l'huile d'olive, c'est bon. Comment ça le poulet, c'est gras, frère? Ouais, coca, honey sugar, bro. Coconut, diet coke, no sugar, 0 calorie. I love this kind of pasta. Simple. I don't want to understand. Yeah. Hey, look at that. That's a famous dancer here in Polynesia, Raurii. October Rose for the breast cancer. A lot of women got the breast cancer, you know. What is that, you know? Coqueluche. Many coqueluche here in Polynesia. Child can die from this. It's very powerful. Sorry guys, there was a lot of people I couldn't talk. There's so many people like that. I don't get it. Hey, Angel, calm down, bro. If it's true, what are you doing on the live? Just do what you have to do, bro. Bro or girl. You are 26. At least you're not a minor.
Comment ça?
Bro, the hospital is open. Let's do some stairs training. I'll show you the hospital. Now I can go on the roof again. It's better to walk on the roof, no people. I can talk, you know. There's the, how to say, ascenseur in English for totally forgot, guys. Elevator. Let's take the stairs. Guys, I'm doing my sport at the hospital for the people who just came. Come on.
Arana.
My family is in this room. Come on, guys. Hola, Daryl. What's up? Guys, I'm doing my sport in the hospital for the people who just arrived. Let's go. Let's do it. Nice to meet you. That's so cool. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Me nunca te olvidar. Y aquí estoy, una vez, suplicándote el perdón. Si en verdad te fallé, no fue esa mentación. Culpame en ti. Let's walk, bros. Hey guys, what a nice training. Yes, don't leave us. I'm working, don't worry. With my sport at the hospital, bros. Thank you for being there, guys. Please, be like Daryl. Come on the live to give me strength, guys. Comment, subscribe, share, like. If you want to support me. If you don't want to support me, that's okay, guys. There's a lot of people making live and content in the world. Just trying to do my best. Thank you so much, guys. For the people who's gonna like, share, subscribe, subscribe to me. Thank you so much, guys. Just doing my sport. Put my phone here. Yeah, cool. Now let's walk. That's so fucking dangerous, bro. What? Guys, I gotta be careful. This shit is fucking dangerous, bro. Look at that, bro. It's so dangerous, bro. What the fuck? What the hell, bro? It's like I'm gonna fall here, bro. That's insane, guys. That's so insane. That's so dangerous. Let's walk, guys. Let's sport. Hey guys, hey, yo, Millie. Sorry, I don't really speak Spanish. I don't know what it's meaning. Well, doing my sport at the hospital for the people who just arrived. Walking 1 hour. It's been 52 minutes since I started the training. 8 minutes, and it's good. It's gonna be 1 hour since I start training, guys. Thank you for being there, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share the live to support me. You can go check my video, my short, and my other live. Marururo. Muchas gracias. Thank you so much.